Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel on a very wet, windy and not very nice day in Devon. I've been trying to put this video off for probably about 2 weeks. So anyone that lives in England will know that probably about a week to 10 days ago we had beautiful, beautiful weather. So I decided to bring these out and start to try and acclimate them to the sun. So what I did, the first 2 days it was all overcast and quite cloudy. So I just popped all the palms in here because this area of garden gets about, I'd say about an hour and a half to 2 hours of early morning sun a day. And then as the sun moves past the building, the sun comes up, and most of this is in the shade for the rest of the day. So I thought that this would be a perfect place to give them a little bit of sunshine, hopefully not burn them, and everything will be fine and dandy. But I forgot that I needed to go and look after my friend's dog while she was away in Turkey, and I left the palms over there thinking that they were going to be fine, came back, and this is what has happened. I need to walk around here so you can see a little bit better. Everything, I mean, it could be worse. It definitely could be worse. But I've got a bad case of sunburnt plants, which is not ideal. This little dipsis looks so sad. So what I've now done is that, my phoenix, my two phoenixes and my Livingstoners are probably the least damaged out of all of them. So they've been staying on this table, which was more sort of over here. It was sort of, it was more shade than it was over here, but more sun than over here. And the rest of the palms I've been putting just on here because they literally get about 15 to 20 minutes of sunrise in the morning. Sunrise is over here. They get the slightest morning sun. But today I've thought that I will bring them back outside and give them a little bit of a drink in the rain. But this burn didn't actually start for, I'm going to say 3 or 4 days. They were still looking fine until I went to look after my friend's dog. And they have been progressively getting browner and browner as the days go on. Some are a little bit more unscathed than others, but a lot of these are crown-shafted palms, so I can't actually cut them off. I mean, if it was on my Phoenix or Livingstoner, I probably would just cut all the old leaves off. But because my dipsis, my bungalow palms are crown-shafted, you can't cut the fronds off like you would with a normal palm, because they actually help to build the structure of the plant. So if you cut these off too early, then there will be no structure to the plant, and the plant will just be all weak and break. So what my plan of action is now, I've been watching the forecast as much as I can the last couple of days. I'm going to leave these outside until Thursday, and then I will bring them in again Thursday night. I'm not going to bring them into the house because I don't want to keep chopping and changing the temperature for them too much and the humidity. So I will just be bringing these into the hallway until the Saturday. So these will be left outside. I think the highs are about 12 to 13 degrees, so it doesn't drop really below 9 or 10 degrees in the evening, and these plants have seen quite a bit colder than that here and there. So hopefully after this last little cold snap that we are possibly having on Thursday, these will now be living outside until the end of the summer. And because it's meant to be cloudy tomorrow and it's meant to be raining on and off rain until Thursday, these will be staying here, because when the sun does come up and moves around, even though it's cloudy, they will still be getting some filtered UV, which is good. I don't want them to be in complete shade. If they can get a little bit of filtered UV without having the sun blaring on them, that's a lot better. And then as soon as the sun does come out, these plants will be moving back into a sheltered location, and I'm probably going to keep them in the shade for a good month or two, because I don't want any of this burn to get any worse or to burn the new leaves. So yeah, that's that's it from my sad looking palms today, guys. I hope you're having a nice day, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.